Hi, I'm Claire Brown from Plantpassion. I'm the author of the British Flowers book, and I'm going to take you through this season at regular intervals what we've got available from our field in Surrey. We're in the Surrey Hills and on a chalky soil. So it's the 7th of March, beginning of the season, and most of our flowers are currently coming from either bulbs or from shrubs. No annuals yet, unfortunately. So I'm going to talk you through what we've got here. The first of them is the smallest, the Muscari. These bulbs are great, short stems, lovely blue colours. The white ones are coming. They haven't flowered for me yet. I know that Helen at Evolve Flowers has got some that she's got a supplier up in Lincolnshire. Other bulbs that we've got these amazing leucosium. These are snowflakes rather than snowdrops. They flower later on. The snowdrops are just finishing. These are the snowflakes. Lovely little dainty stems, brilliant for bouquet wedding work. The stems aren't very strong though, so I would suggest protecting them before you tie a string around them. We've got tulips from Smith & Munson, these ones. Got a range of, these are the early candy prints, and these are a double white one. Sorry, Joe, I've forgotten the name of that one. Got some of those in earlier in the week for some funeral work. I've got some lovely anemones. I chose only to grow blue at this time of the season. The white ones will be ready later on, but these are a wonderful true blue colour. I'm also then, this is the very first butterfly ranunculus of the season, actually the first one that I've grown. Thank you for Abby at Ivy Dean Flowers for recommending them to me, and for Sel Robertson at Forever Green Flower Farm for selling the claws. Obviously, at this time of the year, I've also got hellebores. These are great for event work, not quite so good at this time of the year while they've still got their pretty anthers for a longer term bouquet. Absolutely gorgeous, but they don't last a huge length of time until the seeds start setting. First of the daffodils for me here, and this variety is Tamara, and I like to pick them when they've split and they're showing their colour. I've also got a couple of others coming from the garden. There's going to be lots of them over the coming weeks. Let me know if you know another really early variety. I'd like to grow another one here. And then the rest of what I've got available for making the bouquets this week is shrubs. So I've got some Pittosporum and rosemary, the first of my rather gorgeous ribes. I've got a white one and a pink one of that. And then I've got viburnum. This is a stalwart for me through my winter and early spring. Lots of scent and colour. And so I've got viburnum tinus and viburnum bodden tense. So that's what I've got available from my Surrey field on the 7th of March 2025.